For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated. Correcting a C8 installation from a different installer. You must always protect the wire harness hole. In this case, the previous installer removed the wire harness boot. On the C8, we normally flip the wire harness boot upside down to gain more wire slack. The installer did not use grease during the install. You must use grease during the install. The grease fitting needs to go towards the back of the door so that you are able to grease it. Make sure to install the pin at the bottom of the shock to secure it. Do not cut the fender tab by the headlight. Use a long extension to access the fender tab bolts from the inside of the front. Use grease on the shoulder bolt, inside and bottom of shock mount as shown. Use Loctite on the treads of the shoulder bolt to secure it. Install the shock with the grease fitting towards the back of the door. Make sure to install the pin at the bottom of the shock. Make sure to use Loctite. Tighten the adjustment screw on the block. The up and down adjustment screw needs to be set. You must lock the locking nut as shown to keep the door from coming off adjustment. Make sure to grease the knob as shown. Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.